Snowshoe hair tracks. It's amazing what the snow reveals, eh? About 18 inches on the ground. December 2nd, 2024. I'm not normally on snowshoes until, oh God, at least mid-January. This is very unusual. It's good to see though. It's great. Three days ago I crossed here and it was, wet ground. There's no snow, none. 3 days, unbelievable. There's a deer track. Good. Let's follow him. still can't believe the amount of snow we got for this time of year. Holy cow. Man. See what the winter brings. Okay, the shoes I was wearing today are made by a company called Rockwater Design. Rockwater Design, I do not recommend these shoes. They got pretty good flotation. They certainly have a good bite in the back end. What that means is they got cleats, which is great. Here's the problem. The buckles are made of cheesy plastic and very weak springs. I would not trust these on a bush trip. No chance. They're good for around the house and stuff, because if they break, whatever, you can always make it back to the home. But if you're out trekking like what I do, these are not a good shoe. Not for that. All because of the buckles. Yeah. Anyway, they weren't that expensive. I think they were like $100 for a pair, which is a lot of money, but if you're gonna get a good pair of snowshoes, you got to be spending $300-400. You really do. Yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know. Look at this snow, isn't it gorgeous? Oh my God, it's beauties. Happy hiking.